I was just sent the cutest purse. I'm wearing it like a crossbody right now, but I'm gonna show you the different ways you can wear it. I love the strap. I think it's so stylish and it's adjustable. So if you wanted to make it shorter so that it's not gonna be as long, you can do that. Or if you want this longer, you can do that. Also, it comes with another strap. So if you just want plain black with the gold details, it comes with that as well. Let me show you the inside. So it has a nice size inside. You have a zipper right here that can fit your phone or maybe some lipstick, something like that. Here on the back side, there's also a zipper as well. So you have a zipper compartment. And then on the front side, there's another zipper compartment too. So 3 different zipper compartments. If you want to detach these and just hold this like a clutch style, you could do that. Has the great gold detailing, very simple leather-like look to it. I think it's such a great purse that's gonna go with everything, whether you wear it as the shoulder or whether you wear it as the cross body. Super cute, you're gonna love it.